in order to send money from your PayPal to Gcash, this is what you're going to do. So firstly, go to your PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account here, so what we're going to do, click on the menu option, which is on your top left there, tap on the three lines, the hamburger icon, and this will get you to your menu option here. So from here, scroll down and you'll see there's an option called mobile wallet transfers. Tap on the mobile wallet transfers option. Okay, and once you have get to the mobile wallet section here, so from here what we're going to do is you're going to choose the country. So if you're sending to Gcash works in Philippines, so it's going to choose Philippines from here for the country. So let me just choose Philippines, and from there here, now you go to plug in the amount that you wish to send. So just plug in how much you want to send, just plug that in. And then on the receiving option, what we have to choose is you have to choose mobile wallet. If you're sending it to Gcash, select mobile wallet. Once that's done, scroll down, hit on next and proceed to the next page here. So here what we're going to do is under the mobile wallet provider here, tap on it and select Gcash because we are sending to a Gcash account. So select Gcash, and then now all you have to do is plug in your Gcash number associated with the receivers. So whoever you are sending it to, plug in the Gcash mobile number associated with it. So plug that in, hit on next, and then you have to provide, and then you have to simply complete the transaction with a few more on-screen prompt to confirm the transaction. So basically this is how you can send from your PayPal to Gcash.